Yeah, good morning, Mr. Azam. Welcome
Alright,
to
sir.
our company. Today is your interview session, so I will guide the interview. Without further ado, I would like to start the interview by the first questions. Tell me about yourself.
Okay. I am a software developer student in Bosnia School Solo, and I specialize in front-end development with hands-on experience in Laravel, Flutter, and Dart. And my background in boarding school has built my discipline and independence. And recently, I spent time in Mataram for a school program where I learn and I developed a professional website for an Islamic boarding school in Abu Hurairah, and I am now looking for a 1 year internship to full immerse myself in a professional production environment.
Okay, so what interests you about this role?
I am looking for a long term internship where I can see a project through from planning to deployment. Nah, 1 year plan is perfect because it's allow me to deploy, understand your workflow, and contribute meaningfully to the learn goals, and rather than just searching the surface.
Okay, so before we ask you about your skills or your competencies or also your experience in your job, we get about your personal. Can you tell me about your greatest strength?
My greatest strength in problem solving and adaptability during my school program in Mataram, I had to work in a new environment and deliver a functional website under a deadline. I am also very comfortable working with version central, the Git, and collaborating in a team.
And what about your weakness?
For weakness, sometimes I get to focus on the small delete or perfecting a specific feature which can slow me down. To measure this, I now use the tracking. I now use the booking and set strict priorities for each task to in how the project slide on schedule without sacrificing quality.
Okay, so we need to know about your reason why you want to work in our company.
If being your company's portfolio in e-commerce, since I am something to a full year, I want to spend uh, in in a company that values high quality order and and innovative structure. I believe your environment will change to grow from a student into a professional developer.
Okay, actually, if you work here, you will have many tasks and it will cause stress and pressure. So we need to know how do you handle your stress or pressure.
uh Stress. Oh, my greatest achievement.
No, I
Stress.
mean stress.
Stress ya.
Stress.
Untuk stress.
Stress.
Is number what sih?
Yeah. It's number six.
Oh, if nothing. Okay, if me stress, I just to like sholat and read Quran and other for the what down my stress like this.
Okay, so what about your achievement? What is your greatest achievement?
Oh, for my achievement, my greatest achievement was delivering a web project for Ponpes Abu Hurairah Mataram. And under the IDN Tangguh program, we had to manage the details requirements, design the system, and deploy it while adapting to a new city. It taught me that I can stay productive and deliver results even in changing and unfamiliar situation.
Okay, so and then actually we have many applications that come to our company. So you have many others again to enter these positions. So what do you think? Why should we hire you? Why you are different from others?
You should hire me because I 1 year internship because someone really good and fast to adapt adapt. I already have a function in Laravel and Flutter, so I won't need months of basic training. I am ready. Be responsibility, support your senior developer, and grow adroitly your learn for me the real 12 months.
Okay, so and then we need to know about your experience. What mistake did you ever make while you're learning or you're working?
For my experience in for working is I done make a website for like portfolio and Flutter is VR generator and Laravel is a library online and others like this.
Okay, so and maybe you have you have some things that you have taught yourself. Can you tell me what is the last thing that you teach to yourself?
I've been teaching myself about clean architecture and state management in Flutter. I realized that for a long term project like the 1 year internship I'm applying for with waiting coder that is easy for test developer to read and maintain just as important in making work it work.
Okay, so yeah, we got all the points from you, but actually we have the last question. Do you have any question for us?
Or my question is how does the team handle further reviews and feedback for internal?
Okay, so thank you. We will inform you for the answer and your further information via your email and your WhatsApp number. So I think what that's all for today. And thanks for coming. See you next time.
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Next.